Bonjour les amis, welcome to my channel Master French with Vidyanshu. Today we are going to learn about the days of the week in French along with their respective pronunciations. So how do we say a day in French? We say le jour. Jour is a masculine singular noun and it is pronounced as le jour. How do we say a week in French? We say la semaine. Since semaine is a French feminine singular noun, it will take the definite article le, and jour is a masculine singular noun, it will take the definite article le. We will move on to the days of the week. So what is Monday called in French? It is called lundi. Lundi. Tuesday is mardi. Wednesday is Mercredi. Thursday is Jeudi. Friday is Vendredi. Saturday is Samedi. And Sunday is Dimanche. Lundi, Mardi, Mercredi, Jeudi, Vendredi, Samedi, and Dimanche. So what are the days of the week? The days of the week in French are lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. We repeat: lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Take a note that all the days of the week are masculine singular noun, therefore they will take the article le. Like, for example, le lundi, le mardi, le mercredi, le jeudi, le vendredi, le samedi, le dimanche. However, the term for the week is semaine in French. It will take le because it is a feminine singular noun. So we will take up some questions. Quels sont les jours de la semaine? Quel is an interrogative word in French which means what? Sont means are. So what are the days of the week? The answer is pretty simple. Le jour de la semaine sont lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, et dimanche. A is a preposition, sorry, a conjunction which means and. So this is all for today. What are the days of the week? The days of the week are Lundi, Mardi, Mercredi, Jeudi, Vendredi, Samedi, et Dimanche. If this video helped you in understanding the pronunciation as well as the vocabulary of the days of the week in French, kindly like the video, do subscribe to my channel Master French with Vidyanshu, and do share it with your friends, and please press the bell icon for getting all the updates on time. Bonjour les amis.